Hello and welcome. My name is Nace. I'm a professional photographer and retoucher, and for the last 10 years, I've made it my personal goal to bring creative education to everyone around the world. Through platforms like Creative Live and Adobe, as well as founding PHLEARN.com, I've taught millions of people Photoshop from over 180 countries. And now I'm partnering with Fiverr to bring you this course. I love that Fiverr combines both the education platform as well as a way for creatives to actually get paid for their services. This course is designed for both amateurs and professionals, helping you to remove any unwanted objects from your images. We go through multiple tools and techniques in Photoshop, getting you familiar with the basics, and then we move on to more concrete examples. Starting with simple examples like removing a person from a landscape photo, and then we move into intermediate examples involving removing multiple objects from a photo. And last, we go into advanced examples like removing reflections from a car and even perfecting wedding photos. This class gives you everything you need to remove distractions and make your photos more impactful. All this comes together to help you create a better offering for your clients and better stand out in the marketplace. My name is Nace. Enjoy the course.